Hello everyone. So in this lecture series our next topic is if conditionals. In this if conditionals we are using empathy, ideation, structure and application. Okay, so topics, what are the topics for discussion? There are four types of conditionals. One is zero conditional, the second one is first conditional, the third one is second conditional, and also the third conditionals. Okay, so let's explore what is this first conditional. First conditional is a possible situations. Second conditional, it's an imaginary, unlikely situation. So third conditional, it's unreal past situations. Okay, and here the empathize part, you have to identify the correct verb forms and understanding real versus unreal situations. And this defined part is conditionals express possible or imaginary situations. Okay, and here you have to note down very clearly zero conditionals, it always tells about the general truths. First conditionals, it tells about the real future possibility. In the second conditional, it tells about the unreal present or future. And the third conditionals, it tells about the unreal past. Okay, so here real world applications for zero conditionals. Example, if you heat water at 100 degrees Celsius, it melts, right? It's a general truth. And if it is sunny, we will go to the park. If it is sunny, we will go to the park. It's a possible situation for present or future, right? And the second conditionals, it talks about unreal situation. Look at the formula for this. Okay, if plus past simple plus conditional plus infinitive. Okay, so if I won the lottery, I would buy a house. If I won the lottery, I would buy a house. It's a unreal situation. If I don't buy, if I didn't, right, buy the lottery, I wouldn't buy a house. If I didn't buy a lottery, otherwise if I didn't, okay, won the lottery, I wouldn't buy a house. Okay, and the third conditional, the formula is if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. Third conditionals, it's used for unreal past situations and their imagined results. Okay, if they had left earlier, they wouldn't have missed the bus. Look there. If they had left earlier, they wouldn't have missed the bus. If she had studied harder, she would have passed the exam. Here it is a third conditionals. It's an unreal past situation. Okay. And the next one, here please note down the formula and also the example. If I don't study, it's a present simple. I fail my exams. Okay, it's a present simple plus present simple. It's a general truth, it's a general habit, it's a scientific facts. Zero conditionals always tells about the general truth, general habit, scientific facts. And first conditionals, present simple plus will plus root verb. If I don't study, if I don't study, I will fail my exams. If I don't study, I will fail my exams. It's likely result of a possible future events, right? So these two conditionals comes under real conditionals. And what is this unreal conditionals? Second and third comes under unreal conditionals. Okay, past simple, if I were rich, if I were rich, it's a hypothetical situation in the present or future. If I were rich, I would quit my job. Yes. And third conditional, past perfect plus would plus past perfect conditionals. If I had won the lottery, I would have quit my job. It's a hypothetical past, likely past result. Okay, so it's a beautiful topic. Okay, you should understand the types of conditionals and also the examples and where we have to use all these conditionals. Okay, and so here we have seen all those things. What are conditionals, why do we use them, and what is zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and also third conditionals, and the formula for all those things. Empathize part, where do we use conditionals? Okay, and here I've given some curiosity challenge. It's think, past, share time. Create 5 sentences, one for each conditional type. Okay, role play, do role play. Students present real life examples. Okay, and here I've given some assessment quiz. Convert the given situations into correct conditional types. Okay, and write a paragraph using at least 3 conditionals. See, these are the assessment makes you stronger in this topic. Okay, and here I've given some reference for future studies. Okay, I hope you understand the topic well and do practice. Okay, and if any doubts, you can refer the reference link. Okay, thank you.